So hello, nice Yo here. It's actually the third time filming this because I had a few like recording issues. But okay. I got a 165 PB average of personal best average of 5 with Pyra. So I'm going to go ahead and reconstruct that. I'll put the time list and the scrambles in the description, so feel free to follow along, try the scrambles, etc. So let's move into the reconstruction. So the first scramble here, I didn't count this, so I mean it doesn't really matter. But I'm not too sure what I did. Probably I did the solution I'm just gonna show you, which is the best, which is the best to the until the point where I can inspect, because I can't one-look this solution, this scramble. So tips at the start. And from this angle, so red bottom, green front. What I think I done here is B prime R to put in the center and the bar, and a 3-move insert to put this in here. So just that 3-move insert, and then an L4E. So now the second scramble, which I didn't count as well, so it's the best solve. So I mean it's a pretty ridiculous scramble, as you can see. But I looked around for a bit, and I thought it's the most obvious solution, which is doing L and just doing a sledge, is the best solution. So B prime tip, L, sledge, U prime, which is a 103 single. So now on to the third solve, a 155. I actually did not one-look this, but so I ran until the V, so it's a 2-look solve. So what I thought of doing is it's a 4-move V. So I thought of connecting this this block to the centers with 1 move. So tips at the start. Connect that block with 1 move, and then L U L prime, a 3-move insert here to put in the other edge. And then I got pretty lucky here, and U hedge U prime. So that's the fourth solution. Now that's the third solution. So yeah. And the fourth one, so I did the obvious solution here. It's a 2-move V like that, from blue bottom, yellow front. And I one-look this, and it's a really easy to one-look. So you can tell that because it doesn't have any U moves, so it doesn't disturb anything. It's just the L and R moves and the 2 pieces moving. Because when you want to one-look L4E, the only thing you need to see is the 3 edges that's going to remain here. So if you do an L, which is the first move here, you can tell that this blue and yellow edge comes up, which is the edge that's supposed to go into the front open slot. And then if you do a R prime to finish off the V like that, you can tell that this red piece is going to come here, which creates this line. So you can tell that because there's only one L4E with a line, obviously. You can tell that it's a nice the 6-move line L4E. So tips at the start, L, R prime, U prime, and then just a 6-move line L4E case. So the final solve is a 205. I did not one-look this either. And okay, wait, what did I do? I did a pretty long V, and wait, what did I actually do? I know I did a pretty okay, I got it. So it's actually a 6-move V. So so tips at the start from green bottom, red front. So I do a U to connect this block, and then R prime U to make this block, so you have 2 blocks here, and do B to put that center, put that in, and a really nice just 3-move insert case. So that gives me a 165. And what's pretty interesting here is that 2 of the 3 solves I counted in this average is actually a 2-look solve. So okay, that's not a good thing, but at the same time, it shows I guess in a way it shows my potential or whatever. So yeah, I want to be able to one-look and get better times, but yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. Bye.